Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Nissan Rogue garage door opener. This guide will help you connect your vehicle's built-in home link system to your garage door. We will cover clearing old codes, programming new ones, and ensuring everything works smoothly. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes, making your daily routine much more convenient. Let's get started and make your Rogue even smarter. Before programming a new garage door opener, it is essential to clear any existing codes from your home link system. To do this, simply press and hold the two outer home link buttons at the same time. Keep holding them down until you see the indicator light begin to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that all previous programming has been successfully erased. Once it flashes quickly, you can release the buttons and you are ready for the next step. Now, let's program your garage door opener. First, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen home link button and your garage door remotes button. Keep holding until the home link indicator light flashes rapidly. Next, press the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor. Finally, return to your Rogue and press the newly programmed home link button 3 times to complete the synchronization. If you encounter any issues, here are some helpful tips. First, ensure your garage door opener has a rolling code feature, as some older models may require a different approach. If programming fails, try replacing the battery in your handheld garage door remote. Also, make sure your Nissan Rogue is parked within a reasonable distance of your garage door opener motor during the programming process. If needed, simply repeat the programming steps carefully from the beginning. You'll get it working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.